안녕하세요. Hello K-friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Chung. It's great to see you again. Recently, I talked to my daughter who is away from home at college. She gave me a wish list of things she wants to eat when she comes back home. Interestingly enough, she listed braised potatoes, which is very popular and common side dishes in Korea. Coincidentally, one of my Facebook friends also asked me how to make braised potatoes. She said that many Korean restaurants used to give this side dish, but these days they don't give them out anymore. She was sad because it was one of her family's favorite side dishes. It's pretty much simple and easy to cook, so everyone can make it quickly. Let's dive in. Step 1. Preparing ingredients. Peel the potatoes with a potato peeler. Potatoes that are good for braised potatoes are potatoes with less starch. I tried making with russet potatoes and it tasted good, but the shape was not good because the potatoes had too much starch. So I instead decided to use gold potatoes with a little starch. Potatoes are high in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, fiber, and resistant starch. Potatoes are also rich in potassium, so they can keep your heart healthy and are good for your stomach. Put the potatoes in water. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. The reason why the potatoes should soak in salt water is because then the starch of the potatoes won't stick to the pan when stir-fried. Also, the salt water will season the potatoes so both the taste and the texture is good. Cut the onions. Cut the carrots into appropriate sizes. Cut the bell pepper appropriately. Today, we use various vegetables for texture and color, but you can only use potatoes. 10 minutes later, put the potatoes in a strainer and drain. Step 2. Stir-fry ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to the preheated pan. Place the heat over medium-high. Put the potatoes stir-fry until the potato color becomes somewhat translucent. Step 3. Braising potatoes. Add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of oligosaccharide. If you don't have oligosaccharide, you can add honey or corn syrup instead. Pour 1 cup of water. Add a sliced carrot. If you like the spice taste, you can add 1 tablespoon of red pepper paste at this stage. Cover and cook over high heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. If the size of the potato is large, it may take longer to cook. You don't have to stir it in the middle. 5 minutes later, add onions. And lastly, add green bell peppers. Cook another 1 to 2 more minutes. Turn off the heat. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Sprinkle a bit of sesame seeds. Smells so good. Let me taste it. It's not salty and the seasoning is just perfect. It's so delicious. I hope you enjoyed my episode today. I really appreciate your support for my channel. If you think the program was useful, please push the like and subscription button. Have a great day. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.